sexual reproduction in human beings. Human beings are sexually dimorphism. Sexually dimorphism. Sexually dimorphism means that is unisexual. Unisexual organism, that the male and female both are the difference, that is of sexually dimorphism. After the birth, the many changes occur in the body, that is the mainly that is the growth and development. But the sexual organs mature not just after the development. From birth to since birth to age of 10th class, you can say age of 5th class, mainly only growth is there. Growth will be there. Then after 6 to 10th class, the sexual organs will start to mature. After 6 or sometimes 7th or 8th, the sexual organs start to mature, and this stage of life, that is known as puberty. Puberty, the stage of life during which the sexual organ start to mature, that is known as puberty. During the puberty, the many changes occur in the girls and boys. During puberty, many changes occur in the puberty. That puberty, only that growth and development is there, means the child's grow in size, grow in weight, grow in volume, but not their sexual organs start to mature. But at the time of puberty, the age 6th, 7th or 8th onwards, the starting of maturity of the sex organ, that is known as puberty. And during this time, some changes occur similar in the boys and girls, and some changes occur differently. So we can say the similar changes in boys and girls. What is the similar changes? Similar changes that is of hair growth. Hair growth on body, armpit and genital area, and genital. So that hair growth start on the body, armpit and genital area. Genital area become dark. Genital area become darker. During this stage, genital area become darker. Thinner hair appears on legs and genital area. Thinner hair is on legs and genital area. Skin become oily. And often pimples is appear on the skin. Skin become oily and often pimples open on the skin. Awareness of the body. Awareness of the body. During this time periods, the particular child once awareness of body will be increases. when move outside the home, they show how dress up is there. So how their hair is there, or they see frequently mirror their face and their body. So that is body awareness is also increased during this time period, that is of puberty. And the timing of puberty, timing, that is 10 to 14 years in girls and 13 to 15 years in boys. The age group between 10 to 14 years in the girls and 10 to 15 years in the girls, that is of timing of puberty. Then some changes only occur in the boys and some only in the girls. So the changes, different changes in boys and girls. Different changes, boys and girls. First, changes that occur inside the girls. Breast size begins to increase. Breast size begins to increase during this time period. Breast size begins to increase. Menarche, the first menstruation cycle is known as menarche, and the last menstruation cycle in female, after that menstruation cycle will not occur, menstrual cycle is not occur, so that is known as menopause. So first menstrual cycle, which is known as menarche. So menarche is there, or beginning of menstrual cycle. Then broadening of pelvis. Broadening of pelvis. That this pelvic girdle just present below the body, that will be enlarged. So broad, the pelvic girdle or pelvic muscles is broadening is there. Deposition of fat. Deposition of fat on in face, buttocks, and thighs. Deposition of fats in face, buttocks and thighs. Rounding of body counters. Rounding of body counters. Then high pitched voice. High pitched voice. Softening of skin. Softening of skin. Skin will be soft during this time period. And slow growth of ovaries. Slow growth of ovaries. You can say, I am right here. Slow growth of ovary, fallopian tubes, and other female reproductive organs. So these different changes occur in girls, that is of breast size begins to increase, menarche or menstrual cycle will start, broadening of pelvis, pelvic girdle will be broad, deposition of fat in face, buttocks and thighs, rounding of the body contours, high pitched voice, softening of skin and slow growth of the ovary, fallopian tubes and other female part of the female reproductive system. These are the changes which is occur only in the girls during their puberty time, or when puberty will start or sexual maturity will start. Like these changes occur during the especially 8th, 7th, 8th, 9th class. So you have to aware about these changes, so not to worry it. Changes occur in only boys. Only boys. There are slow growth on the thick hair on face. Slow growth, thick hair on face. Slow growth, thick hair on face. Development of Adam's apple. Development of Adam's apple. That neck bones. Growth of larynx. Growth of larynx. Broadening of shoulders. Broadening of shoulders during the time. Narrowing of pelvis. Narrowing of pelvis. Pelvic girdle is narrow in the males and broad in the males. Enlargement of testes. Enlargement of testes. Scrotum and penis. So these are the changes which occur in the females, males only, and growth of bones and retention of calcium. Growth of bones and retention of calcium. These are the changes which occur only in males or boys during the puberty. Slow growth of thick hair on the face, development of Adam's apple, that is growth of larynx, broadening of shoulders, narrowing of pelvis, enlargement of testes, scrotum, penis, and growth of bones, retention of the calcium, bones की growth एक्स्ट्रा होती है मेल्स के अंदर, बॉयज के एज कंपेयर टू द फीमेल्स. सो दीज आर द चेंजेस विच इज अकर इन द मेल्स ओनली. एंड दिस टाइम पीरियड्स ड्यूरिंग विच द फर्स्ट appearance of characters of puberty to sexual maturation, puberty to sexual maturation means when the sexual organ is completely mature. This time period is known as adolescence. Adolescence means whenever that sexual maturity starts, that stage is known as puberty, and when first sign of puberty start till the complete maturation of sex organ, that whole period is known as adolescence, and it is very transition periods in the life of children. During that time many changes, many things comes and goes, so we have to aware all these things. Otherwise, if we maybe lost many things, study is there or career is there or many other things, so we have to aware all about all these things. Then